how to draw on Instagram messages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new draw features so that you can draw within direct messages in the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to use this, all you need to do is swipe from right to left to open up the messages on Instagram, then open a message, go down to the bottom right, select the plus symbol next to the sticker icon, and select draw. Now, if you don't see draw, keep in mind they are slowly rolling this out. And actually with the same exact account on a different phone, I don't have the draw feature there. So it really depends on the device, everything like that. But you will at some point get this feature. Now, one way to try to get it earlier or force your phone to get the draw feature is to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram on your Android or iPhone by simply open up either the Google Play Store on an Android or Samsung phone or the App Store on an iPhone, navigate to Instagram, and if there's an update available, select update where it says open. It'll say update. Once you select update, it'll begin installing the latest version of Instagram on your Android or iPhone. Once it's done, select open, and then you should have the draw feature right there. Once you select draw, you'll then have options where you have either a marker or highlighter, erase, and you could choose the color. And all you need to do is start drawing just like that. So once you're done drawing, select send, and then it will send it inside the direct message as you can see right there. So that's how you draw within Instagram messages. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.